excited yet?
Yes, are we recording now?
We're recording now.
Oh boy, I'm chomping at the bit. And it's a beautiful day. It's 63, the sun's shining. Haven't been here since September, so anxious to see what it's going to look like. Solo's been really good, riding in the back, sleeping.
So guys, this is our first video going out to our new 5.5 acres of property out in a rural and very wooded mountain area. And we're really excited to get out there because we're going to be doing a little work there today and getting our plans set up for building on the new property. So it's all kind of a new thing for us, and we just want to kind of share it so everybody else could have in on some of the fun and excitement.
Yeah, I can't stop grinning, so that tells you how happy I am.
So we're just a little ways away from there, and then we'll probably get the camera turned around and let you see what it looks like driving in there.
We were kind of concerned because last week they had snow and there's not a drop of snow around now, so hopefully it won't be soggy and muddy. But we'll see. Just a few more minutes.
Okay, we just made it off of the highway and we're going to start heading up on the mountain, so you get a little chance to see what it looks like on the drive up there. There's a little delay on that. The road's actually in pretty good shape right now.
Yeah, it is.
We're having just been in a snowstorm last week.
And from when we saw it a year ago and it was a thaw coming out. And who knows what kind of wildlife we'll see today. Last time we were here there were deer and turkey running all over the place, so. Starting to see some homes that are built out in this area. Hoping that we get to meet all these people someday soon. What are you thinking, Steve? see a couple of guys tomorrow in regards to our septic system and then also the foundation work, so we might get some questions answered as far as how we're going to go about our build. Were put in like cement blocks. Well, there's one of the views I'm looking forward to seeing. There's the proverbial fork in the road. We go around this curve, we are almost to the property. And just to the right is our place. Yay! And it looks like some of the flags we put out last fall are still up. Cool. Here you go.
Okay, we've been out doing a little bit of work out here in the property today and give you a little tour of what things look like. Got a few trees cut down, cleared out some scrub pine trees that were growing up around in here. This is going to be where the garage is located at, and you go off behind the back side of things here. Got this really cool ravine out here. Down in the bottom part there's some kind of rock outcroppings and that are interesting. Later on maybe we can take a walk out there and see what that looks like. Got a lot of tree branches piled up from the stuff that we took down today. It's unfortunate, we didn't really want to cut out too many trees. Hate cutting trees, but not that it's work, that it's that we just like the trees. So got some flags up out here where we were planning on doing some building at, and I'll give you a little bit of a preview of what things might be looking like here. Kind of an unusual arrangement in that. There's a couple more trees there with the green bands on them that are going to need to be cut down yet to allow ideas to go forward. And there's some more flags outlining kind of what we have planned. That's the driveway back out to our road. We do have some neighbors nearby and all, so they've all seemed like a really nice bunch of people. And that is kind of the tour for today. Hopefully we'll get back out here and start getting a few more things going. Got a lot of building plans set up to go. And get some more of these stumps and things cleared out of here. We're stockpiling a few logs here. We got a project going that's going to have use for that. And looks like we're going to call it a day for today.